What? What the hell are you talking about, man? What the hell are you playing? What's the title of that game? Huh? What's the title? What? Can you speak it loud, man? Guitar what? Guitar?
A1.
Guitar. What's A1? I don't know that. What the hell are A1? What about you, Rain? Do you speak in English?
Yes. No.
No? Why?
I'm Filipino.
Oh, so what? And then what?
I can.
You can't? Oh my goodness. Oh, so that's the Guitar Hero. Oh, we have a visitor here. What happened to you, man? You cannot play? Do you want to play? Huh? Tell your kuya you want to play. Just 1 hour only. Oh my goodness. Houston, we have a problem here. He cannot talk. We cannot talk. They're too busy, man. All people here playing. That's why our electric bill is too much. My God. Look what's happening here, huh? I will tell you what is happening here. When you go to the sala, there's the computer, you know the computer playing the SF here. Oh, look, this one. What happened to Ryan? Maybe don't want him to play the SF. What happened? What? Speak up. Why don't Ryan play? Maybe at around 30 minutes. Can you give a time for him? Come on, speak up! What the hell are you? Just like that? Just like that? You cannot speak in English? Huh? Why? Why? We're in the foreign country, you know? Yeah. Foreign country. What can you help to our? Can you say in our situation? No. What? What the fuck? I'm gonna bring it into the YouTube, so you need to speak English, not Tagalog. Packers. Oh, okay, that's good. That's not a bad English. Another one. Shitting me? Shitting me? Are you shitting me, man? Oh my God. Look, can you see the situation here? Who's in the room? Packers what? Oh, why are you here?